afternoon, guys. How is everybody doing? Happy Sunday, guys. I'm not day. I just did cook. I want to eat my food now. You don't already break up any after 2. Sorry, guys, almost 2:30. Yes, so my kids don't eat. Everybody don't eat. Remember only me. So I'm going to make this video. No music. Yes, so I want to just do one sharply before my little baby will come distract me again. So now, so we see I just quickly want to drop this. I just they go through social media, they see something, and the thing they annoy me small. So I say I quick drop this one. And then my brother, my sister, welcome, happy Sunday, God bless you. Share this video, like the video, God bless you, God bless you. Yes. So what am I trying to say? All those men, may I break down those men where they insult women. A guy it be not make sense now. Here what me we what they get woman for us, they get sister, they get mama. You know good. Woman, it's not easy to be a woman. Woman can't day you can't bon picking. 9 months then you can't see bon the picking. Not easy for that reason respect the woman. You know the guy they be respect her. You understand? They don't respect when they talk to a woman in here. That's why this thing be like gizzard. That's why this thing be like this. That's why it not be like, which kind of insult upon injury be that one? No. If when I say a woman insult her, all those guys, that's why this thing be, that's why it not be, not good, it not make sense. I stumble across something for social media, which I can't see, I never even watch and finish it. I said, first. Please, guys, don't send me message on this phone. Please. Don't go out, they do live now, they send me message. I don't need that. God bless you now. I want your lost join for 5 minutes, all my children will still coming now. They be now. My video will pause. I don't understand. I put my phone network journal was soon. I said he pausing now. Why you away? Why you away? No, now pause. Why you they pause? I don't understand. My network they okay. I'm not they it be they okay. Walking now. For 2 months around you to the disruption. One of my person tell me person would have fair work before now you go person say if too much of network they behind you they see they make you on this slow small. All those one pass. I don't want to rush and talk because my kids they disturb for the background. You think you're the boss my enemy brain now just make we do this video, make we just cut up as they hurt. Me this one over here. I know say nobody is perfect, but then why this one now you forget say equal be equal is you equal walking why I love you on here. It's sweet. Why so equal be if you are. Some of you still get guests as children, still get wife, get brother, get get sister, get mother. What is going on to the court, to the SSA? I know you know I want to put that. The guy take the guy B. Please, guys, invite and share this video. Please invite people and share this video. Yes, there's a message in this video. You're not good. I stumbled across something which is what I want to say right now. When there is this that woman where she get 4 kids, single mother, all those kind of things. I don't want to call the live video presenter person where you're this going on. For me, I really cry for that video. I said, no matter what you say, she gets HIV. I don't know her before. My own day, they TV on wow, tell me no, say me no. They boy because everybody of them want to say, oh, no, the guy baby. He wants some only one me. So about what you understand? Blood is thicker than water. But then, my only day. Imagine we call it, they take call them, pick it for our lock up. He call it Sigma, we don't pick it and lock up. Then forcing, sorry, that woman with 4 children that is a single mother. Understand? You might come with a problem, they cry. Go to Bible, she smoke a bowl. I know they smoke a bowl, I know they drink, God forbid. But even if she smoke a bowl, she they drink, she get HIV, I don't get HIV, God forbid, but it's not enough reason to discriminate her. To insult her, to tell her many words when we say can't even frustrate her the more. No, please present her some of them. I want to encourage her, then I say okay, fine. If you don't say they do all these things, no, they do them, we not good, social, government say all these things, no, they good, if you get children. She go reason, I go see thinker, for real. Don't be only insult, they crazy, they mad, only go, only Morocco, they share. All those kind of things, it's not good, it's not nice. Doing it will not even help her. Do you know what? It will worsen her. It will make her do the worst. But if you call her, advise her, there is some polite advice. Oh, your advice person. He go hear, he go understand you. And then I call polite advice or polite insult. You know, you the insult and say, na so, not be so. No. Nobody knows because of Ogun or this one. No, don't do that. Don't add that. Don't include that. There's a way your advice and she go understand. A person they cry saying single mother and she be say she don't lost 4 kids. She lost 1 kid. Now advice and encourage her, even if you go see the pikin girl, you don't see the pikin again. We don't talk, I don't make this video before. You understand? Even if she go see her or she don't see her, I know say for Josh Lamb here, we miss the day where she did. I don't know where she did now, but I miss the day this Jamie. You know, they easy if government don't carry your pikin, not easy. We may release that pikin back because one, that they see big money for that pikin head. 2, in short, the other thing, I'm not feeling talk now because I'm not 100% sure. But one of the things that I'm sure of is that if they take your pikin, they see big money, or you only have money. Or money, I'm a big only have money. You only have anyway. I want when is going to but a money near my being one of Baugan no more. You know, I don't amigo that 5,000 euro a month. Or you boy, I'm one. You understand? When me myself was in the situation before, I repeat before, but thank God my own case is different right now. And we have a few way never think Jesus Christ. 5,000 euro now I mean one more or 17 years, I be 16 years, 16 to 17 years. So why you boy? But today the story has changed, you understand? So I might one more over 3 years or 5 years or 10 years or 11 years or 12 years near one woman no years in 18 years. 5K, 5,000 euro every month. We calculate it go no yet boy. So if they don't collect that picky, they don't agree with release again because the money that they see too much, they will do anything by thing. Make the mama not carry the picky again. So that is by the way, the thing they pay me. But then my point is this. It's not enough reason to accuse the woman, insult the woman, tell her say they smoke Igbo, tell her say they get HIV, get this one. Even if I don't know her before, God knows my mind, I don't know her. God will see judge me. I don't know her before, but I need to fight for a woman. I'm a woman myself. I was a victim before, and I make it till they touch me. They say, no, mommy, don't go all the if you never go there, you can never know there. Agbon me. Am I like bon for a girl? Wow, this life too deep. You say my own perfect, I get 20 children, nothing they happen. My brother, my sister, may I shock you? You will get 20 children. You the last person you never even get. Make I shock you. If you realize at the end of the day, you go lost your 20 children, which is not my prayer, but you will lost it at the end. Who not get picking at all, can't even get 1 or 2. Or even 4 twins, or 4 twins, 1 square, quadruplets, I be triplets, I be remind me at the end, you can't get old. The noise is too much. So I don't know how to mute my video, but I want just end the stream right now. I want to quickly drop this thing. My kids they disturb. Then they play, You understand? That people Sunday once again when I enjoy us everywhere good. Me I don't hear right now. Me I worry right in the bank. Oh boy. For me now suya and this thing I want you eat now. I want you suya take top pan. I don't want you show for the nama and overs. I want for eat what they call them. Now beans I want you eat now. Beans and be like akamu. I just the hungry me. I don't already make her. I'll show now next time. I don't want to trust me now. When I trust me, I'll show now. But not be today. I beg you. Get why? Get why? Then you need to get suya at top. Then to eat fruit. No say fruit now. No mountain now. If you like. And if you eat this one now, I go fit day with it in the night. Now to sleep. Remember if I see me, I mean, why you don't give me have here? Give me watch it. That's the way it be. So I have a diet here. That's the way it be. You a pineapple now you have dilute. I don't say number why pineapple now you have to stick meat in the leg. Don't you have your lily? So that one compass. My point is this: good or bad, say woman, if they cry saying lost one of your picking, it's not enough. You present that you know your name. Message to who in a concern, you know your name. That's how anything they hot or when you water When not like you be mad, you they come and they this one and they tell us say, so he mad, don't cut through your platform. Oh. He don't cut through your platform. Oh. He they talk. Oh. He say get HIV. He say he children they do their self. Oh. Yes, that will not be good. If she really allowed the children to do their self, that was very bad. You know, it's supposed to they control them. She don't do well for that one because the woman was still like where she for make mistake. But the other way around where there was a mistake where they carry picking. Not but she make mistake. When she make the mistake, there's no amount of mistake a mother would do that warrants that the government should take the children from there. You know why I think of Nigeria, Africa. You when they talk so, they beat me so say when they do yet thing they stubborn. Then go beat you, they go bab. They don't bab you now. They just carry people for granted or bab your hair. A bowl of shine is up. I you here. If you shake, let me they test you. Now me they test you. If you shake and they bab your hair, you can't blood no can see your house and your way you hey. Now me they test. I know what I be talk. I don't feel remember. I don't feel forget the past. You get why? Now bab your hair. At the end of the day, bab your hair finish. Put pepper, say for the hair. Put pepper for your bakos, your hair. Me when they talk to you, so they do me. I'm a winner, my baby, but my winner very funny now. We not do them like that. We when they talk so like me, oh, I'm a victim. But guess what? I still love my mother, my father, that did all these things to me. Not me anything that was there. You understand me? I just share small experience to get why based on say before you see 100 out of 100, before you see 80 people will not pass through this kind of thing, or 70 they had. 70 or 60% they pass through this kind of thing. Where be say their mama, their papa go brush them when they go do bad. Bab their, especially bapping their hair. Don't say she be the shakara they misbehave or you don't let go the friend one small boy. I go tell you say you know wise. That your hair go baba and bolo. Guess what? They go baba and bolo finish the next 2 days. I don't reach new Benin a customer in Benin making. Customer here they with one cap. You don't tell when they talk so. You don't tell with one cap. I don't tell. I don't pass 20 years, 20 something years they exist now. Ah, they with one cap. I'm you more yet boy. But we have to work with Lucia. You work yet book. Maybe for no say or if they come for school, you hide them. For one go runs as in your boyfriend now. I'm not saying that runs your guy or your boyfriend though. Don't say you never really show for waiting 19 years, I've been 20 years with the friend boy for what? You know, give brushing all those my uncle, all of them. A brushing a bell, a brushing and I baby way too. See, not be lie. We're everywhere good sha. I don't want your go deeper. Maybe next time we'll talk that one because my baby don't still come here now. You want to start it begin now. You understand that one compass. So my main point is this. Only what this going to be. I was crying on two show and saying, best lost the picking now they this going to you think when they pay, I can't even they cry for her. Fine, even if she get HIV, even if she they do any as they misbehave, even if she they smoke it, but now advice and say call her one on one, not they do all this thing. If they do her, the rest of your children where they will carry her. She go feel her, she go stop, forget that thing, a woman. Or they calm down. They just say, you know why? No one lose the picking because they suffer for the picking. No woman want to suffer for the picking. My people. I don't want any live screen right now because my kids don't do the background, you know. May I attend to them. So that's why I see and reach everywhere good. The thing pay me. Present as some of them not be all. Stop criticizing a lot of people. No, yeah, what I can say, I can say, I don't see when you never reach. And thank God you they born too. You will be mad when it's going. When they say he mad of it, he don't control my platform. He say get shy, he say get this one. You know yourself. I don't want to call your name. Get why? You understand? Or too much they watch the other person nice and now they talk to you, they just go you to all those things you provoke me, they make me your entire life. Say, I could do this life. You understand? Eh? Stop it, stop it. You don't see they born, not the disgusting person will be say don't born, they carry a picking. You don't know tomorrow. You don't see they born, you're going to get belay. If it still happen to you tomorrow, yes, so nobody is perfect. That is my name on YouTube. Who is perfect? It can be your turn tomorrow. No, nobody will day shit for Europe, but Europe will day so. Oh, you don't know Deshi, you don't know Donga. Una Donga, now Deshi they learn for what you dey. You get one. I know what I try to talk because oh, you both Deshi, or you both Donga pass everybody, you pass the whole world. Oh, I know what I talk. Yes, so while learn we can only boje. Ebonya the biggest the biggest society, the biggest cultist. But they get a little day and then they use that to do things, good things. Not be our witch where they spoil for Nigeria, all those kind of things. So all those are past. So I don't want to encourage and advise some of our people. It's not good. Don't laugh somebody that is mourning. Somebody is mourning, join her to cry, join him to cry. Somebody's enjoying, or is happy, he or she is happy, join he or she to congratulate the person as well. It's not nice. Yes, you can give advice, you can give encouragement to some people in case they are just misbehaving or doing anyhow, because nobody is perfect. But really, don't really insult them. Don't give them insults. Give them polite advice, polite insults, Bless you all. Please like and share this video. God bless you. Maybe I will be back again because I have a topic. Ogbonge topic. Ogbonge topic. Oh. Yes, so my people, that's the way they be. Yes, so everywhere. Good. Bust everywhere. Before them, I quickly just add one topic, join again. But I get too much of topic. It's just that. And then when you want me, they bust everything. Me, they bust everywhere. I want me, they do small. You get why? The other woman, I want to call your name, Italy. We, our brother, about with this smile, this going one the other day. Your mama will just carry you on Europe, you go suffer. Even if not Shabo, she do anyhow, not easy. She will carry you, finish you, go there. Fight for her. They pay me. I cry for that video. I watched it for yesterday. When Baba with the smile do, I can't cry. Ije won somewhere no matter waiting. Meta banner way maybe in my own case why I small, me and my junior ones, me and my aunties there. Not only me, with many for family. If you do anyhow, you misbehave, say you not quick on ask, you not quick come for school. Though your code say you go block your boyfriend, your guy. They not be what do you do? You carry you sit down. A soda wa yakyo, our ye yakyo won. I is obeyed yakyo here while you boy a boy with if you shake, now me they test you. When I let this message go viral, get why? Because you know why I want me to go viral. Most people are victim of what I talk. If you shake, it's like don't cry. If you cry, I bruise you. I go, you go hey. They do all of us. You don't say when they inside. But children here for Europe, they don't. We don't go there. If we there, God may go carry the children. So God may carry one person picking now. You they say and I go for her. Only go see book be when HIV when on even if she do all those things. Is that enough reason for you to criticize her? Is that the time for you to now laugh at her or criticize her? No, advise her, tell her, say this is what you do. Don't do this again. Stop that, you go, my sister. I don't carry the rest of your children. That's what they talk. That's what they laugh and say, only go HIV stop it. Oh yeah, what? Sorry guys, my baby don't get background though, so now I want to drop the video right. I mean I want end the live stream. All right, people, you understand? Not supposed to laugh and you just tell us say make it stop, make it coordinate ourselves. You know, that's what they do. I hear. So that one we're going to talk about when Baba with the smile do. The thing touch me too. You they fight for the other right wing that be left wing. I don't know what to call her again. But you don't fight for your mama. Fight for your mama. Mother is supreme. Ije won somewhere. When ije won has there. Ono also. Ono meme. Agbena ije won. Sorry, my voice won't be nice though. But why you drop this one? Any jomaga usome. Any jomaga meme. I'll find that music. I know the music why they start to sing. That music too. It's too bockish. Oye boy music ini. I mean I give ijoma. Only you we na you omo yen wa omo yen we. Omo yen wo a cassava a pekusi we. Or one usual because she passed through a lot to have you. We are going to right wing and be left wing. I don't know, sorry, why I agree. But when it's been an usual suffer, they stress. You know, if you try me, they suffer for your mama, no matter waiting. Fine, you know, the agent, I don't make over the never know, I know everywhere, Europe, no easy. How do you go get a back bin a name? Oh, make be an usual instead of one I've been another way. Oh, I know this going away. All this going is what is your shower, work do your boy, who do I group of get go for big. Pwe, it bad was sent for Jesus. All this one by me. If we boy as for sell do I say, when do I group of get go for big me over, ya me over, na. I might be one me. The woman they learn, she say learn and she's not, the woman she say learn now me, it be my all the year for, or metus. I don't fit try I know why get why. When I had by group or get or we jouer ya favor or wag or we yak bon when me to jouer be a me when I had by group or get moment it been a me jouer. What a shame, what a disgrace. You know yourself, my lady. I don't want to call your name get why. Mama no me but if you don't agree or bungbe, ya wa mana tamoria wait or ya wa waiting a dollar ye. Maybe have my way and we makere wo. This is for me. Stop it. Stop it. Oh my God, yeah. I don't so my gakin ya mona kami ya ya gakin ya wa senti ya poki shigbe ya too much shigbe. Nobody is perfect. Before you discriminate me, don't forget say I talk say nobody is perfect too. You two way want discriminate me, you're not perfect. Even if you come and I see my video call it cost me, I not send you, I feel still cost you back or I feel still boof you every day. You understand? I hear you know and everywhere good. But stop it. You are the bad group of me. A group in the mark by group as a group in the Bima or at the end of the day, do I misbehave? You see, you suffer. Yeah, my message been unusual. I will not just go and where are they by what a shit, what a fuck. My God. When I want the live stream, I want to go answer my children, my kids, you know. Kids is supreme. Children is your priority. Children is your pride. There's a topic I'll treat about children. God bless you all. That lady, you know yourself, try to change. This is for me. People will still like you with your topic where they do. Not me say you join gang, then people will like you. You hear my sister. Try me. This is for me. Fight for your mother. Don't fight. Fight for your mother and fight for your rights. Don't fight for another some person. We don't disbond your mama. We don't call your mama witch. Don't call your mama shower. It's not good. My sister. I'm not talking about the wait or the waiting ideology. The truth is very bitter. Learn. Because nobody is perfect. You understand? On one out, one back on one way. And the person will tell you say this thing where they do not good, your man is me. So stop it. Stop it. Kwe mo jiwe no motion eh. Kwe mo jiwe no motion eh. Kwe mo arun so. Hondo mami go ni jwe. Ma wa mi go ya fefe no wa me we help na your mama. Mana mi eri ne beg bi na ne fight for her. There is a way Sonia. I think be so wrong. Here me go the way, but the way they do. Okay, no you way I will say no. Any me go the way now. I got to me go no amuni jwe. You way I will say ni jwe. That is my fight. That is my problem here because my jwe there of we all see you. I don't know her, but the way that they just go your mama, you did there, they tally there. Just they join that group. It's a shame to your part, my dear. It's a shame because me talk to me too. I did Europe here, Jamie. My mama not sit there Nigeria. I know it be one person off come this one, my mama. For real. How crazy I go even wear pants come and take this one and boy I did tell you, now me they tell still. I pray cause you sure me I reserve I don't want you to talk too much, man. I not go far. Me reserve nonsense. I why everywhere good sha. I better try change my sister. Change. And then your age, 54, 53 years, the joint person will be saying you senior. Jesus, are they shame, sha? When Papa when they smile, they just go, why are they shame? They cry for you. Are they happy? They cry your cry. 53 or 54 years, say no mujene my lady. Iwe, no we no even carry. Iwe no go babe fijame. He so rest in peace. I feel now. He pay me when they just go. What that pikin say? Don't die. He pay me, they hurt me, they pay me because me to each moment with him by the grace of God. I'm blessed with kids. He pay me. But again, I just know everything. I advise you, I know they cost you, I know physically cost you. Senior me. Who say not PMA in short? Who say not PMA? Here give me at the way. Here give me at the way. I know what I did talk. 54 we young banner. Here give me at the way. Give me my 64. You understand me? Because already be a mocha be. You to where they be what they be Jimmy. It was when you advise you because I got more going for me. Or you have advice on what a video when you cow. I'm more advice no one where our sister no ma. We have a way be ye. You not be not be ye. Who can realize we no ma. A video need tell you Baba with a smile, Miguel analyze it. Baby, mommy, borrow TV me. You know, children, kids are supreme. They are the best. They are everything. Yeah, you try anyway, but man, have me boy. Don't be you road. There are more days ahead. Emma, you know me have this one number one, number two. Every man, we may be yahoo. Try to stop it. Disease from it. Then the other day I had share this message, but mommy boy, I was not around. I went to Amsterdam for something. Now the old land I went so why with that Rena the Nason no de lawa. You know, motor why you here in short. No. I can't borrow me one of 5 hours. Ki make it more we want to 1 hour here. So I don't get tired small. I need to just rest and do tidings or kind of thing for us, cook and do a lot of things. I thought I they cook no. So yeah, you try the way video. Remember it's setting. I already talk small parts of it. Try change my lady. Almost 54 years. You know this small picking. So not be on money no do. My lady, my mommy. No, you don't have to. Mama. Mama ekwe mu no dere we. Oho no yigo no ye no dere you know we ke platform and donate you na ye ne asai bovete. Age no we donate na ge no ke man is when ye o mari ye ne no ke no ro no ke ate we bury in Nigeria. Or ye nia. Uno atai, uno ke age ta we so mo forget. Where it's a by radio man do they on your lane not join anybody. Ma do ba me o mama ho agui. Don't join me. They on your own living me on my lane and join. But why me on no why matter? I think why we comment to you. Or yeah, why we like it here? Yes, bravo. Why here? Italy kaje, Italy now right now. It reach me. Italy why you go there? I can speak Italy very well. Capito. Io riesco a parlare tutto. Parli italiano bene because my yes go every year. Understand? I might not be perfect, but my wife here. Capisci? Per favore, my lady, tu non devi fare così. Fai brava con te anche con tua famiglia. Non devi, non so come si dice. Fai caso tua, capisci? Fai caso tua. Mamma mia, quello donna che tu puoi avere. Tu puoi avere per lei, per la figlia tua. Tu vuoi andare sul suo gruppo. Così non va bene, perché lei non va bene. Lei è una catastrofe, una stronzo. Lei è una persona che non va bene, capisci? Tutto non sai, io non sai, tutto il modo, tutta la vita non sai che lei non va bene. Una catastrofe, una stronzo, una merda. Io non voglio parlare troppo, insultare nessuno, però io adesso io sono arrabbiata, capisci? Per favore, stai come si chiama? Stai tuo mondo, tuo linea. Non sta con lei. Lei non va bene. Lei è una poisonous. Poison. I should be poison. Go poison everywhere. Go bust everywhere. Go cast everywhere. I'm going to trust you. See, mama and everybody. I don't say people they come. You know people they come. And they come. Now you believe on a talk pass. Not me talk pass, but people see they talk. That's the way it be. I know how they be now. Everywhere good. I want to attend to my kids. God bless you now. When I even like and share this video, may reach the people, to the people who it may concern. You understand me? What going guy? When I help me share, per favore tu voi, tutti persone mi aiuta per, come si dice, si dice share, sì. Share la video così per andare tutti per vedere, così loro sapevano se c'è qualcuno che parlare, capito? Perché quando è troppo, non va bene più. Fai caso tua, guarda tua vita, tuoi figli, tua famiglia. Non è che tu andare in gruppi che non va bene, che non è senso. Non so come si dice, perché io ho dimenticato tante cose in italiano. Perché da quasi 10 anni che io qua in Germania, allora io ho già dimenticato qualcosa in italiano, però riesco a parlare ancora bene. Non è che, sì, come si dice, io non sono proprio 100% buono in italiano, però io ti dico che io almeno 70%, capisci? È così. Dai, ciao a tutti. Bless you. Share, like this video. God bless you. Bye. Because it is not good. I always speak this Italian because the person they Italian why they talk to. Io sono vergogna per te se tu non è vergogna, capito? Vergognati. E loro discriminare tutto tua mamma, che lei fa puttana, lei fa questo, adesso alla fine tu andare con lei, la suo gruppo, per cosa, scusa? Tu sei scema, però. Tu non è scema, Se tu non è scema, io scema per te, io vergogna per te, capito? Non sto insultando, io non voglio insultare te perché tu quasi mia mamma, capisci? Però stai tu in linea, stai tu vita, fai brava con te, capisci? Fra settimana io in Italia ancora, cause sometimes I travel. I want to see one of my friends. I dey come, I fit come with car, I fit come with train, I fit come with plane. Everywhere dey, nothing dey happen, capisci? That's the way it be. Everywhere don't upgrade. Na small, nobody perfect pass. Per favore, sono vergogna di te, cambiati. Non devi andare sul gruppo, gruppo di la donna, quello lì, la donna in UK non va bene. Lei è una catastrofe, è già, non so come si dice, è già, diciamo, già rovinato tutto, sì, diciamo, è rovinato tutto la vita, tutta la social media. Non è rovinato mia vita, però è rovinato tutto social media. Tu non sai che è rovinato tutto social media. Per quello tu devi fare bravo, tu devi stai tua linea. Non devi aggiornare lei non va bene, una cretina, proprio una troia, sì, Per favore, tu sei troppo grosso, troppo grande per fare questa cosa, non va bene, non mi piace. Fai brava, per favore, sei bella tu. Perché tu fai così? Non va bene, non è giusto. Per favore, prossima volta io vieni per parlare italiano con te, perché io sto pensando che tu non capisci bene in inglese, non capisci bene due language, allora parliamo italiano, capisci? E tanto quando uno parla italiano tutti i giorni tu devi imparare di più, perché era 10 anni, quasi 10 anni che ho lasciato italiano. Hai visto che come che sto parlando ancora in italiano? Hai visto come parlare ancora italiano? Io da quasi 9 anni, diciamo, prossimamente, 9 anni che io non ho italiano. Io in Deutschland. Hai visto come parlare ancora italiano? Sì, io parlo almeno un po'. Dai, grazie people, grazie everybody. Thank you. Share the video, like this video, and please always invite people, follow the notification button so that you'll be notified that I'm on live. I will still come and treat another topic again, which is Ogbonge. I need to attend to my kids. Kids is supreme. Kids are my pride. They are the pride of every woman. Thank you all. God bless you all. And I still use this medium to pray for those people that don't have kids. God Almighty in heaven, Jehovah Nisi, per favore Dio, aiuta quello donna che vuole figli. Aiuta loro, help those that want children. Please, God, help them, because for me, I can't help. If I can, I will help them. Thank you, guys. Share the video and like this video. Share on to those people where they talk. Those people where they talk. Yes, I know I call their name, but they know they accept. Bye.